y'all, my name is Ryan Michelle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be decluttering my cabinets in my kitchen, all of them. So I hope you stick around and get to finish the entire video. If you are new here, welcome. I'm a military wife, I'm a stay-at-home mama of 4, and I make cleaning, organization, and home decor videos. So if you would like to be a part of the family, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Let's get started. So on today's video, I will be cleaning with the Sprayway all-purpose cleaner. I picked this up from Marshall's for $2.99. It's been sitting in my cabinet for a little bit, so I just figured I'd use it. I'm always using my DIY cleaner, so I thought I'd clean with this today. See how it works, how it cleans. I do like the glass cleaner by Sprayway, so let's see. There's nobody else with you, make me feel the way you do, you do, you do. There's nobody else with you, come and do the things you do, you do, you do. You know what to do, know all the things to say, what to say, oh yeah. Guys, I basically shopped my home. These were from Ross. I don't even know when I bought them, but it's been a minute. They were $2.99, and I have 3 of them, and I'll be using these to put the medicine in. These are just backup, just in case those don't fit. Okay, so I did not spray that much of this cleaner. Y'all gotta excuse the glare from my glasses. So I did not spray that much of this, and it's too strong. I don't like strong cleaners. For one, it gives me migraines. So this is pretty strong. So as I continue to use this in my cabinets, I will not spray as much. I really didn't spray that much the first time, but yeah, y'all, this is some strong stuff. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong. We don't use the peroxide that often, so I will be putting it in this blue bin and taking it upstairs. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you. You can also find me on Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan. So make sure you head over there and follow me. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna. So right here, I'm just taking all of the cups from this cabinet so I can put them in the other cabinet. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it. So I put the medicine on the top shelf, and on the middle shelf was all of my glass, and then the bottom shelf was the plastic. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good.
If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus.
I'm really not sure how cooking stuff got in here with my cleaning products, but I will be taking that out.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Don't tell me how you feel, so quietly next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go.
Okay, so right now I'm gonna go through this cabinet. It's kind of like a mini pantry type thing. It has canned goods, seasonings, grease, as you can see. It's crazy in here. So I'm gonna get this organized, cleaned out. I'm sure it's plenty of things in here that have been expired. So we're gonna get that, we're gonna tackle that, and let's get to it.
As long as you're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight. Hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming in the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh. Cause baby, I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this.
Y'all, I did not realize that we had so many canned goods, and every week I was buying canned goods, and it's all in here. This cabinet really gets on my nerves because, as you can see, when I was pulling stuff out, it was like never ending because this stuff you can put all, like this cabinet goes deep back there. So
Hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love.
So here I will be putting all of my canned goods on the middle shelf. The top shelf will have sauces and my baking products. I'm not a baker, so I really don't use those often. So they will be on the top. And then the bottom is all of the seasonings.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time.
If you are enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below.
But I would never, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
My kids are pretty independent. They make their own breakfast, but doing so, they put syrup everywhere, so that's why I had to wipe off the syrup container.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky.
Here I am putting all of Lauren's bottles in the plastic bag.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So I got this. This was supposed to be for my pots and pans, but it was just not working out for me. I think this is my second time buying one of these and it's just not working. So I watched Jessica Toll. I noticed that she used this to put plates on, the kids' plates on. So I'm gonna give that a try and see how that works.
And in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
If you like my organization videos, make sure you let me know what you would like me to organize. I got a linen closet request. Let me know in the comment section an area you would like to see me organize.
Say a bunch of stuff you never meet, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah.
If you haven't checked out my summer haul and summer decorate with me video, make sure you do so. These two acrylic bins, well, they're stackable bins I got from Home Goods, and yeah, I mentioned those in my video.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Turned out so good. So good, so good. We are missing a few cups, but it's only like 2 or 3, so they can fit right there easily. All of our bowls are there, and this and the cup pieces. And I have a few of these in there too. But, and, oh yeah, and her little earrings.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place.
So here I am putting everything on top of the refrigerator inside of this blue bin. Guys, I'm not sure what happened to the part of the video where I was taking all of this stuff out of this cabinet, the Easter stuff, and I think it was some Valentine's Day stuff, but all of that stuff did go in the cabinet right beside.
Nothing more to say. Let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic.
Hey guys, if you are still here with me right now, this is the end of the video and I just want to thank you. Drop me some yellow hearts down below in the comment section if you are still here. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and really appreciate you watching, and I will see you on my next video.